Hey guys, this is Rhonda K. I trust that you're having an excellent day. I want to tell you what I do on a daily basis in less than 5 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. So, you work full time, I do too, and I want to share with you how I've been implementing what I learned in this step by step guide. It has reignited some things within me, um, causing me to be more consistent, and I applied what I'm learning in this guide to one of my income streams. Okay, I've been a member of this company since about 2019. So check it out. What I do on a daily basis, I post videos and I actually schedule these videos out. But when they appear, it looks like I just uploaded it, but that's not how I do it. I schedule it. So from the video, I ask you to click the link to request a starter kit. You click the link and you go here. You're on a capture page. If you like it, you put your name and email address in and you click get access. And two things happens. You get an automatic email. I'm like, hey, this is Rhonda. How you doing? And then you also go to this page. This is a landings page, informational page. You'll watch a video and then you'll request a starter kit. And then after that, I just email people on a daily basis. This is the only thing, this is a system that I use to email. And this is the only thing that is not automated. I send a live email every day. And I thank people for requesting a kit. I ask people, hey, let me know when you receive your kit. And I'm getting some really good responses. Really good responses. Now, I attribute the responses from this company here, this income stream. They have a email marketing video training. It's phenomenal. I've been using that. So for the last 30 days, I've just been implementing that. I'm not rushing myself. I'm just using that. And I'm using videos. Okay. I believe that I'm ready to go to the next training, which is a Facebook marketing training. I'm going to implement that, do that for 30 days, and come back and let you know more of the progress. So, what do? I post a video. I ask you to click a link. You go to a capture page. You put your information in. You get an automatic email from me, and then you go to a page like this and you decide if you want to request a kit. After that, I send emails on a daily basis using this system. And let me show you what consistency will do. So I started doing this in July, here and there. August, here and there. September, But in October, I was like, listen, what am I doing? I'm leaving money on the table, and there are plenty of people out there that I can at least teach the beginning stages on how to do some lead generation, how to get people to request a kit, how to make money online. Okay? So I'm at 3 minutes now. Let's look at this stopwatch. I got to hurry up because this has to be less than 5 minutes because you have things to do. So consistently posting videos on a daily basis, asking people to request a kit, emailing daily, and look what's happening. Look at all these kits that people are requesting. So it works. So with that being said, you're looking for a way to make money online. You want to learn and earn. You want to implement these things, particularly if you work full time. This can work for you. All right. So I may not know everything, but I know a little bit of something, and I would love to share that information with you. All right. So with that being said, click the link in the video description. Learn more on what I'm doing. I trust that there is something that I will be able to empower and help you with as well. Many blessings.